Meaning of dhurrie.
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 Dhurrie. A dhurrie is a type of traditional Indian rug or carpet that is woven by hand using cotton, wool, or jute fibers. These rugs are known for their durability, versatility, and colorful designs, and they are often used as floor coverings, bedding, or even bags. Dhurries have a long history in India and are still produced by skilled artisans using traditional techniques. While they were once primarily used in rural households or as prayer mats in mosques, dhurries have become popular around the world and are now a common feature in modern interior design.